నిఖిల్ హీరోగా వచ్చిన కిరాక్ పార్టీ అలాగే నాగార్జున మన్మధుడు 2 చిత్రాల ద్వారా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకు పరిచయమైన కన్నడ హీరోయిన్ సంయుక్త హెగ్డే. ఈమెపై తాజాగా మూకతాడి జరగడం పెద్ద సంచలనంగా మారిందనే చెప్పాలి. వివరాల్లోకి వెళ్తే హీరోయిన్ సంయుక్త హెగ్డే శనివారం నాడు తన ఫ్రెండ్స్తో కలిసి బెంగళూరులోని అగారా లేక్ సమీపం వద్ద ఉన్న పార్క్కి వర్కౌట్స్ చేసేందుకు వెళ్లడం జరిగింది. అయితే తను స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇన్నర్ వేసుకుని వెళ్ళడం అలాగే తన ఫ్రెండ్స్తో కలిసి డాన్స్ వంటివి స్టార్ట్ చేయడంతో దగ్గరలో ఉన్న కవితారెడ్డి అనే ఓ మహిళ సంయుక్త మరియు ఆమె ఫ్రెండ్స్పై మండిపడుతూ కమెంట్స్ చేసింది. ఇలాంటి డ్రెస్లెస్కొచ్చి పబ్లిక్ తిరిగే ప్లేస్లో అసహ్యంగా ప్రవర్తిస్తున్నారు అంటూ ఆమెపై వాగ్వాదానికి దిగింది. కవితారెడ్డితో పాటుగా పక్కనున్న జనాలు కూడా సంయుక్త మరియు ఆమె స్నేహితులపైన మండిపడ్డారు. పబ్లిక్ ప్లేస్లోకి వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఇలా ఒళ్ళు కనిపించేలా డ్రెస్లు వేసుకుని రావటం ఏంటి, మీరొక్కరే వర్కౌట్ చేయడానికి వస్తున్నారనుకుంటున్నారా అంటూ మూకదాడికి దిగారు. మరికొంతమంది అయితే శాండిల్వుడ్ డ్రగ్ రాకెట్లో మిమ్మల్ని కూడా ఇరికిస్తాం జాగ్రత్త అంటూ హెచ్చరించారు కూడా. ఈ సంఘటనకి సంబంధించిన వీడియోలు ప్రస్తుతం సోషల్ మీడియాలో వైరల్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఇలాంటి జనాలపై కఠిన చర్యలు తీసుకోవాల్సిందిగా బెంగళూరు పోలీసులను కోరింది హీరోయిన్ సంయుక్త హెగ్డే.
ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಇವಾಗ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಲಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? see this and we were flowing hoop he's just trying to get attention and do all this, and she tried to hit us. We have video proof of her trying to hit us and it's wrong. This is wrong. People coming and telling trying to attack somebody just because they're doing something in public and dance like we're hoop flowing in public. This is just wrong. This is sir idu tappu sir he's talking about drugs and stuff which is not true. He's trying to put us in the wrong. Sir you police bandidira. I want to, you know what, sir you have come ilike idu we are talking ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಮಿಟಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ bra and pants. If anybody wants to see, I was wearing a sports bra and pants and I'm with 2 girlfriends of mine and I'm working out here. I was wearing this and they're asking me to strip. This is what I was wearing and working out by myself with 2 of my friends, and she came and tried to hit us and now they're telling us we are wrong. Sir, tappu sir. And now they're talking about drugs just like that out of the blue. Just because ivaga kannada industry alli drugs ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ they're trying to talk about drugs, and in the background they're trying to say Samyukta Hegde is doing drugs and shit. This is how people are. Andre now nam padige workout ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ and this is what is happening here. Coronavirus time and we are social distancing and this is what they are doing.
Social distancing alla man, in first decency kalko.
Ma'am, please ma'am, ನಾವು ಡಿಸೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾವು ನೀವು ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಹೊಡಿಲೇಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಮ್ಮ. ನಿಮ್ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗಾ ನಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡಿಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Oh my god, ನಂಗಾ ನಾಚ್. Can you hear this? ನಂಗಾ ನಾಚ್. She's talking so atrociously.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್? ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ಯು.
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. They tried to hit us and they're asking us to go. They're asking us to leave because they tried to hit us. They tried to hit us and they're asking us to leave. This is so wrong, and he's trying to, just because I'm an actress, he's trying to defame me like this. They're trying to defame me like this. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. This is so wrong.
I want to file a case on you.
We also want to file a case on you, ma'am. Ma'am, you file a case on us. ನಾನು
ಎರಡೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್
This place is not
why did he get the station?
ಅದು ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿ ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅದು
We'll go out. One second. Guys, everybody is asking us to solve the problem.
No, it's not a problem at all. You just make it a sentence, no regret and get out of here. Why you make a scene here?
They are trying to defame us and talk like this. Sorry, sir.
See, it happened. We cannot do it.
See, we were hooping and this is what they're talking. Yes, of course, sir, we are listening.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ
Yeah, you know what? We'll go and we'll just talk outside. We'll just wait for Bharat. Yeah. We'll talk to the cops. Sir, ಬನ್ನಿ sir, ನಾವು ಆಚೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ please. They're just they're talking. I mean, you can check me. This is nonsense. Sir, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್? ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡಿ ಇವಳೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? She tried that lady. 3,500 people are watching. Yeah, you can talk, please. Yeah, please listen to this.
They're stripping in the public.
Stripping. They're talking this stripping. Walking around in sports bra is stripping. This is how they. And that guy is stuck. That guy is stuck with saying this guy. ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಸೋಶಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We'll wait by ourselves. They're not even leaving us, they're just following us.
We're not letting you go. You have to come to the police station. Chalo to the station. Police station.
Stop screaming, ma'am.
Chalo, police station.
We'll go.
Indecent behavior in public.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಸರ್ ನೀವು how they come in just they are my two friends. She tried to hit her and we have it on video. We're showing it to the cops and the cops are still taking their side. They're still supporting her and they're asking us to leave. Wow.
They are coming in a proper dress. They can't come to park also proper dress here.
This is so wrong. Forward thinking. I wore my pullover and came to this spot. There was nobody there. We were working out by ourselves. Once I finished my warm up, I took off my pullover, worked. We did our workout and she came while we were doing our workout and she tried to attack us. She hit my friend just like that. This is and they're
ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ
Why can't we stand for what is right? Why can't we just stand for what is right?
I'm asking something.
Sir, why can't we stand for, say one second, why can't we stand for ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು?
ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Indecent behavior in public.
Please ma'am, please talk properly.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, please come. Just come.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
You can't touch me.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೋಶಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ నాకు వీడు కావాలి
How do you go out? You lock the gate. They've locked the gate so that we don't go out. And people are just following us like this. They've locked the gate. They've locked the gate. I hope you guys can see this. They've locked the gate so we
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మీ అభిప్రాయాన్ని కమెంట్స్ ద్వారా మాకు తెలియజేయండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయటం మర్చిపోకండి.